Hey everybody, it is me, Zoe, back with another video, and today I'm doing a drugstore makeup starter kit for those of you who want to start a makeup collection or just want to start doing your makeup, because I know when I was little, or like, I think I started doing makeup when I was 11, so 3 years now. Yeah, I didn't know what to get. I basically just bought everything Wet n Wild when that was not the best option for some areas of makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll just go ahead and get started. So I have my makeup bag here. This is from It Cosmetics. Yeah, anyways, so basically, when starting your first makeup kit, don't mind that, you don't have to get everything. Like, the imaginable. I forgot an eyeshadow palette, y'all. Okay, we are just going to quickly grab something. There, okay, sorry. Yeah, when starting your makeup collection, or just everyday makeup, you really don't have to get everything. It's not necessary. Like, you don't have to get primer or setting spray or eyebrows. You get what I mean. Anyways, so yeah, but I have everything except for lashes. Don't do lashes if you're starting. I don't even do lashes. Yeah, anyways. Okay, so the first thing is obviously primer. So I would suggest the Wet n Wild primers. They're actually really good. You can get the water drop primers or the dewy or the matte. I like the dewy one, personally. I'll put a little in my hand. A very nice primer. It's only like $5. It's right there. It's just a luminous, glowy primer. Yeah, now starting out with foundation, I would either do powder foundation, to which I would suggest the Maybelline Dream Wonder powder, or a lighter coverage foundation. Unless you have acne, then get a foundation that says it is good for acne-prone skin. Otherwise, it's not going to go well. Trust me. But I would suggest the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation. Now, I have the shade 220 and 150. 220 is currently my shade. Right there. It's a nice foundation. It is a light, medium, buildable coverage. The natural finish, obviously. It's not glowy, not matte, but it's really nice, and I like it a lot. So for powder, yeah, you do not have to powder your face in any way. Only powder your face if you really want to, or you're gonna be like doing something that requires sweating, or if you have oily skin. I have combo, so if I put on my foundation, it's not gonna like go wham, there's like oil spots everywhere. But I suggest the Coty Air Spun. Just get the translucent. If you want more coverage, get translucent extra coverage. That's what I have. This already comes with a puff for your powder. Now it does have kind of like a baby powder smell, but it's not exactly baby powder. Anyways, if you don't like scented stuff, then just get the Maybelline Fit Me powder, which is awesome. I have that too. This one does not come with a puff, but it doesn't have a scent, so good. Now, bronzer, blush, highlight. So, into bronzer first. I suggest, for the best shade range and affordability, CoverGirl. Get any of the CoverGirl pressed powders and just get a darker shade that matches you. I have the one in Tawny. Make sure it is bronzy enough, but not to the point where, sorry, I swatched like over my veins, so it didn't work. Yeah, make sure it's bronzy, but not to the point where it like is really dark. Yeah. Also, if you're darker skinned girls, just try to find, I honestly don't know how to shop for that. I think they do have some pretty deep shades in this line, which is great. Like, I love shade ranges that include every possible skin tone that they can like make stuff for, because obviously there's always going to be someone that is left out, whether fair or darker skinned. Anyways, yeah, so that's that. And then for blush, I say go with the Milani Baked Blush. Simple, affordable, great pigmentation. This is Coralina. The baked ones last forever. And they're sparkly, which is a very high plus. It's right there. Now highlighters, I say stick to the basics. Get a Wet n Wild highlighter. I like Precious Petals. Really pretty, like orangey kind of glow. It's, yeah, you can see it's not exactly super matching my skin tone, but it is beautiful, so I went with it. For setting spray, e.l.f. Beauty Shield. Smells like lemons and eucalyptus. Oh, so good. It protects your face, I think. Yeah, protects your face from like UV rays and stuff like that. Spray some on. It's also just refreshing. I think it's kind of dewy. Yeah, it does add a little bit of moisture to your skin if you do use a matte foundation. Even if you have oily skin, make sure to moisturize, because it does very help to moisturize when you have oily skin, because then your skin is not producing oil to combat the dryness once you like strip your face with a face wash and stuff like that. Okay, I forgot concealer. Whoops. Okay, so concealer, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Awesomeness. Super good concealer. They have a lot of shades in this, so everybody will be included. You can, if you want to, you can use a darker shade for contouring, highlighting, all kinds of stuff. But I do have shades for darker skinned girls, so that's good. I mean, I love it. It's just, I really don't like it when companies do like limited shade ranges. It's not okay. It's not acceptable. Anyways, mascara. e.l.f. Length and Volume. It's like $3. Super nice. Medium sized wand. Good. Yeah. Brows and eyeliner. Totally optional. But if you want to get something that is good for starting off, NYX Precision Brow Pencil. It's not too flimsy that's going to break, but it is a good thing. I use the color Espresso. And eyeliner, e.l.f. Waterproof. Felt tip, easy to use. Do not listen to the people that say those like liquid eyeliners are better. No. Okay, Wet n Wild lipsticks. Not the cheap ones, the $2 ones like these. The matte. Wonderful, great lipsticks. Stay on for quite a long time. This is Just Peachy. Like, super pigmented. I'm not wearing that on my lips. I'm wearing Physicians Formula. Something. Okay, lip gloss. If you want your lips to be plump, but not stinging and burning, go with one of the e.l.f. plumping lip glosses. I have Praline right here. Yeah, obviously you can see the lip gloss. Anyways. Now, I say brushes, stick to the cheap $1, $2 Wet n Wild brushes. Said and done, quick, easy. Okay, now I have two options. If you just want a very small eyeshadow palette, I recommend going with the Maybelline mini palettes. I like the Gigi Hadid Cool palette. Two of mine broke because I dropped it like 7 times. Anyways, this is the Diamond District one. Really pretty palette. You can always use the darker blue for shadow liner. Super pretty. Or if you're willing to go a little more expensive by like $5, you go to Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution, yeah, it's the best eyeshadow brand in my opinion. Yeah, they're pigmented, they're blendable. Right here I have the Regeneration and the Reloaded Division. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously. Makeup Revolution all the way. Super easy for beginners. Ooh. And yeah, so I'm just going to wash off my hand with a makeup wipe. Sorry guys, I have to retype in my password because it locked me out. So I'm gonna wipe off my hand in the meantime. Sorry, it's laggy. Anyways, to wrap it up, these are the things I think you need in your daily makeup routine. So yeah, go ahead and purchase some of these, have fun, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!